We offer the first and only 1-hour anesthesia-induced sleep therapy for chronic insomnia and REM sleep disorders. We are a comprehensive sleep health and wellness facility. Not only do we identify the sleep disorder, we can provide a solution because sleep is so integral and important to everyone's life, and that it does affect everyone in everyone's life and everyone's family in their life. So if you have a problem sleeping, your bed partner has a problem sleeping, and then it's just a domino effect. So we try to get communication amongst the entire family, and we try to get your sleep partner to also contribute to your sleep issues. So I took it upon myself to design a protocol that will allow people to get REM sleep in a controlled environment in a safe and controlled way with trained anesthesia professionals. And with that, we developed the 1-hour PROSOMNIA Sleep Therapy to where people go into REM sleep naturally. A day at PROSOMNIA Sleep entails multiple sleep sessions. So we service every patient individually. When we have our PROSOMNIA Sleep Therapy, we are actually in the room with our patients. Everyone has a sleep story, right? But depending on their sleep disparity, we'll be able to identify what they actually need for their PROSOMNIA Sleep Therapy. So they will meet with a member of our dream team for a consultation in which we will develop a personalized PROSOMNIA sleep plan for them. We usually have ongoing relationships because it's not like, you solved your sleep problem and all of a sudden, it's better. There's always someone who has a sleep story. So we want to provide that ongoing support for these corporate wellness programs in which they know that they can come to us and we can help provide those needs. And the beauty about a PROSOMNIA Sleep Therapy, because it's only 1 hour, after patients wake up, it's immediate. Like, they immediately feel rested and restored and rejuvenated.
Lots of the competitions where I didn't get sleep, I did not perform the best at all. I've been always trying to find a company for me to actually provide me something where I can actually be able to sleep more. I found a company that is called PROSOMNIA Sleep, and they provide a way not only for you to get sleep, but REM sleep, which is very important.
We are revolutionizing clinical sleep medicine. The way we can put people into a controlled REM sleep state gives us a lot of opportunities to offer REM sleep therapy, unlike any other sleep therapy that's on the market now. Because we do use an FDA-approved anesthetic to put people into a controlled REM sleep state, we use an EEG monitor to direct the level of anesthesia and the depth of REM sleep. EEG stands for electroencephalogram monitor, and that does detect the electrical frequencies that go through your brain. And it's those frequencies that we target to provide our targeted control PROSOMNIA Sleep Therapy. We see potential for use with Alzheimer's disease. People often suffer from the secondary effects of chemotherapy and chronic pain. We do believe that we could provide some sleep relief for them. I love to say that we're comprehensive, so we can offer outside services to corporate health, sleep, and wellness programs, to athletic programs, to increase performance, restorative benefits of REM sleep.